Hey everybody, Chad from Colorado Giants. Got my soil sampling probe here, bag for soil, so I thought I would just talk a little bit about just that. So getting my soil sample here, take my soil probe and I push it down and kind of supposed to wiggle it, spin it up. And there you go. You can see what the soil looks like all the way down. You get a core of it, which is quite handy. A little difficult to... there we go. We're back. A little difficult to do this one-handed, but you get the general idea. I'm getting most of it in the bag, so that's pretty close enough for me. Because I'll do 6 cores. Usually I do this with a shovel, but I got this year when I went to the GPC convention. One of the things that like Ron Wallace and Steve Deletis do is they use this here tool to kind of go around the patch during the season and get samples of your soil, just so you can see how everything's going. You can see I hit my clay hard pan down there, so oops. So we'll get that. So you can see down at the bottom of my soil, if that'll focus. There we go. It is still clay at the bottom, which hopefully that guy over there can help me rectify. So I do 6 soil collections around the patch. I do, one here. So after I get this, I'm going to take down all of the stuff that I have in here will get in the way. So things like my misting system, the lifting tripod, all this drip tape, it's all got to come out, because hopefully in the next week or so I will be able to start rototilling. I really would like to rototill now. It's the what is it? March 23rd? March 23rd today, I think. If we're not at the 23rd, we're plus or minus a day or so. So this is my soil sample. I will let this sit out for a day or so and dry, and then I'll drop it in the mail to Western Labs, and we'll be good to go. So I'll set this next to the tiller. So yeah, so after that, now that I'm done with this, I just got to get all of the stuff out, all of the crap that I really should have done. I should have taken out in the fall, but I didn't. So here we are now. I also have my heating cables that are, the cords should be somewhere. Aha, there's one cord right there, and then the other cord's right there. So I got to yank out my heating cables, because when I rototill, I'm really going to try to bury this here new tiller as much as I can to dig up the clay pan and get a really good tilth this year. And I'm going to add more perlite, more peat moss, like I almost always do. And then once I get my soil test back, I'll probably go through and till one more time what they recommend I add. Usually some kelp meal or blood meal, and a handful of other things. Whatever they tell me to add, I'll add. And yeah, we will then do stuff. From there, I need to bury my heat cables, build new hot huts. Those will be built here, hopefully in the next week or two, because I really want to try and get a little bit of a head start this year. So I want to take care of that. But other than that, guys, hope everybody's off to a good season. Hopefully your spring is not too wet, not too wintry, not too snowy, all that good jazz. So we'll talk to you next time. Also, one quick memo. Seeds. If you want seeds from me, I never mind sending them out. It's hard to type it in a message, so I'll say it here. Maybe I'll make another video at some point. But send me a bubble. When I say send me a bubble, I mean get a padded envelope, and inside that padded envelope, put another envelope inside of it, another padded envelope. Put your return information, all your shipping stuff, on there, stamps, whatnot. So when I get that envelope in the mailbox, all I have to do is open up the one, put some seeds in the padded envelope, drop it back in the mailbox. If I'm going to do you guys a favor in sending you some seeds, then you need to make it easy for me. So that's it, guys. We'll talk to you soon.